the daily code snippet. You may also see the addition of height and width attributes used with the image element. Usually the size is noted in pixels. This is an older way of writing HTML, and the preferred method is to adjust these attributes in the CSS or Cascading Style Sheets rather than adjust the height and width of an image using HTML. As we start to discuss CSS more, you will start to understand why. Old method, image, source equals image.jpg, alt equals a sample image, title equals image, width equals 500, height equals 600. New method, HTML, image, source image.jpg, alt a sample image, title equals image, CSS, image, bracket, width, 500 pixels, height, 600 pixels, end bracket. Presented by Designers Learn Code.